Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a weird starting because my face is half done, but I forgot to start my video and all that, but I was like, oh, I can be filming this because me and my sister are going on a little date in Montreal. So I'm getting ready, and today I'm trying this new foundation. It's the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I got this one because, as you can see, I've tanned so much, and I have a wedding on Saturday, and I don't want to look like a ghost. So I got myself a new foundation, and I'm trying it for the first time today because I was like, I don't want to wear it on Saturday and I actually don't like it. So we're gonna try it today, and I'm just getting ready, and I thought I'll tag you along a little bit. I might not film my whole get ready with me, but I'll show you the result at the end, that's for sure. So yeah, right now I'm just already did my contour. I'm just like blending it out. How have you guys been? It's been a while. I've been good personally. Like, I'm enjoying myself. I feel like we are outside every single day. I have so many vlogs for you. I'm excited to share that. And yeah, it's just been fun. So I love summer in Quebec. So that's that. And this year, literally, I told my siblings, like, I don't want to be in the house, like, at all. I don't want to be in the house. If we have, so every time we have the opportunity to go outside, I literally take the opportunity because I'm like, I want to maximize the time that I have here with them, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's a little update. I forgot to put my blush before blending my concealer, but that's fine because either way I need to add a little bit more concealer later to have a brighter under eye, so that's fine. So I'm a little scared for tonight, I won't lie to you, because Anna is not the greatest at choosing food. Respectfully.
She's lying, I'm the best.
Respectfully, she's not the best at choosing food. And I've left all control to her. She's the one a little bit guiding us tonight. So I'm a little scared, to say the least. Because if I don't like that food, that's gonna be tough. I'm going with my liquid blush. I use the e.l.f. This one is the orange one. It's just so beautiful. It's like a sun kissed in your face. But yeah, I'm a little bit scared about that. We are going to an Indian fancy restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Oh, too late. We are going to a fancy Indian restaurant. I usually like Indian food, so we shall see. You'll be all the way with me, so you will know.
I put it on my lips.
She's making me try something new that if I like, I'm gonna spend money. As if I did not have enough. This is the Haus Lab. What is it called?
It's a blush, but
it's a blush, but you can use it on your cheek, on your mouth, on your nose. Anyway, this is the color Classy Aikai. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And this is what I look like. It's actually cute.
yeah, some lip gloss.
It's got a nice neutral. Interesting. It'll be nice on the cheeks, but I already put my orange one, so I guess we'll use it on you. And I have to do her makeup after, which is like, every time people ask me to do the makeup, I'm like, sure, I can do your makeup, but I'm good with my face. Whatever's gonna happen with yours, that's a disclaimer I have to give you. We don't know. It might be good, it might be bad, but because yeah. But it makes me blush a little bit every time people ask me to do the makeup, because that means I do good my makeup, right? Right, Anna?
Right.
Because you wouldn't ask me to do your makeup if I'm actually not good at it. Like, that wouldn't make sense. I'd be like, you're playing with fire. The only ache for today, it's really gloomy outside, and it might also rain, but we're gonna have a good time regardless, because it's Montreal. It's always a good time there. It's always a good time. Okay, this is blended. I feel like this concealer is too close to my. No, I'm tripping. Never mind. I'm tripping. It's just because I was against the sun. That's why. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back to show you the final result. So I can be quick and stop yapping. Ciao! Alright gorgeous people, this is what my makeup look like for now. I have to go do my edges. I still don't know what to wear, so I'll be right back with that. But Anna said I have 20 minutes, so... Alright gorgeous, I realized I never showed you my outfit, but that is because we were actually so pressed to get out of the house. We are currently at Longueuil and we're gonna take the metro to go at the restaurant. But I'll show you my outfit later. It's super cute, it's super girly, it's so out of my comfort zone, and I can show you. Okay, Anna's gonna show you my outfit, but just keep in mind that like I have heels and we're gonna wear them later. It's just we knew we have to take the metro, so we got some.
Me too. There's somebody behind you. There's somebody behind you.
This is the outfit. That was awkward. So yeah, that's the outfit. It's super cute with the heels, but you gotta be practical because we're lucky being tourists. But yeah, that's a little update, and I'll see you when we're outside. And yeah, my face been breaking out. Don't look at that. It's yeah.
You looked at me and you said, okay, yeah, I get it, but like,
You still.
that's when I started walking.
Yeah. That one? Oh, yuck. Oh, Lord. Can we put the other one? I don't want to sit in front of him. I had an awkward moment enough with them. I don't need more. It feels so good to enter in the metro and you don't have to run to get a seat. If you know, you know. We have... We have to switch metros. Correspondance. Wait, Aeration? You're done. So cute. Guys, it is so humid today. We just got out and we're already sticky. That's how humid it is. But we'll have a good day regardless. Hello. I like the other ones over there. The gold ones.
Des fois, on a pendant la semaine peut-être.
I love this one. Bonjour, oui, vous?
Oui, allez-y, vous pouvez essayer.
On peut essayer?
Oui, bien sûr.
This one caught my eyes.
Et ça, c'est téléphone aussi, en caméra?
Hein?
C'est téléphone aussi?
Non, c'est juste une caméra, mais ça aussi pour les photos, oui. Oui. On s'en prend toutes les angles. Ils sont combien, eux?
C'est $20.
$20. Est-ce qu'ils sont en stainless?
Sont stainless, ouais. N'inquiète pas pour la taille, je peux ça.
But it's already... Regarde, juste la taille ici. This is what it looks like. I kind of like it, but you can already see the rust. And he's saying it's stainless, so I don't know. C'est parfait. Merci beaucoup. They're so nice. Yeah, guys, the ring caught my eyes and I really liked it. But it says it's stainless, but you can already see the rust on it. So I'm like, is it really? So we said we're gonna just keep going, and if I still think about it, I might pull the trigger, but I don't think I will, because why does your thing already have rust if you're selling it new? But anyway, that's my little take on it. But right now we are walking. Oh, we're there. So, oh my god, there's bikes everywhere. So annoying. But yeah, we're almost at the restaurant, so I can't wait to get there and just be somewhere where it's cold, because this heat. We'll see what the inside look like, and if inside is cuter, then we're gonna be inside. Okay, then we're gonna be inside, because I thought we have the AC, and I can be in big back in peace, you know. So that's that. Just search for place close to the window if possible. Hello.
Libre, Anna.
Oui.
Est-ce qu'il y a une place proche de la fenêtre?
Si possible. Oui.
Je pense qu'on vous avait déjà placé relativement proche de la fenêtre. La table.
Okay, so for entry, I'm gonna take a lentil soup. I don't know if you can hear me. If you can, I'm sorry. But yeah, she take a lentil soup and 2 samosas. I still don't know what I want to eat. I want a goat curry, but it seems like they don't have that, so I'm a little bummed about that. But we'll find something. So far, it looks good. So that's that. Yeah. What are you gonna eat?
Me, I'm taking the.
It's falling my face still. My bad.
Me, I'm taking the korma chicken. It's chicken simmered in creamy sauce with almonds and cashew nuts. It's really good. She takes the lamb with the charizani.
You think it's good? It looks good.
Le poulet format, super.
Moi, j'allais prendre les jarrets d'agneau.
Je veux arrêter d'agneau pour le...
So the drinks are getting.
C'est dur.
This is the entry. So far, so good.
C'est le son qui est...
Hein?
So, Pintus being a natural answer in the wild. And I think the camera's too close to my face. Yeah.
All those people that wait so they can get food. Oh god, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on buka. I wanna be fancy and use my fork, but cheers.
Et en fait, c'est ce que je
It is good.
dedans. Je me lance un peu dedans, mais je m'y vais pas du
Put it more sauce. You can see if it's better.
Oui. Le sujet en tant que tel de
You didn't even try.
l'idée
You didn't even try.
de date,
I tried mine.
elle, je m'y connais beaucoup.
Mine is good.
Les le côté tech, ça. Que je trouve
It's not as sweet as I would like it to be, but it's not bad.
d'une façon. Mais à ce côté que j'attends,
I'm being honest, it's so pretty. I don't even want to touch it. That's how pretty it is. Word is better, you know. Way better.
But I like mine too, so it's way better than the sauce. It's like sweet and like savory at the same time. Anna is so over me and influencing. Anyway, guys, I just had to update you. I did change my drink. I tried to like it, but it was too strong for me, and it was those type of drink you drink and you can feel a headache coming. I was like, no. So I got this one. It's a tikka masala. Tiki namaste. I can taste the turmeric. You know, it's super healthy, but it has alcohol in it. So. Yeah, I like it. It's good, right? It's so healthy. And I approve. I really approve. There's a taste of turmeric and ginger, right? I like the little, like a behind taste of like ginger and turmeric, which I love. It tastes like my ginger shots, literally. It tastes literally like my ginger shots. I don't know what happened. Food is coming. Have another people popping up tomorrow. I'm gonna try. There's a good thrift shop. I don't know if it's that way or that way. Is it good thrift on this one? They probably closed. It's kind of the day. I don't think there are. There are such people that are not. By the way, my lip combo is the most untrusty relationship I had because it's gone. No loyal at all. It's gone. I don't even. Did I still have my liner? Again, let's have my liner. My lip gloss, fancy.
Mais moi, je me rappelle qu'il a le bâton.
Oh, it's not bad. Not bad. It's not just. It's not shiny. Following me. She's overreacting. Her lip combo, whatever she calls it, is still there. That's not. Can you see it? I don't see it. I can see it. It's so annoying. Okay, food. Food has came and I was not expecting this, but it looked good. I won't even lie. And that's Anna's. Anna look a little, I don't know. It looks, that's the best. And we're trying. Influencer in the what? I have a lazy eye. But yeah, this one. No, this. Ta caméra est inversée. Elle est quoi? Inversée. Like it's the other way around. Moment of the truth.
Bah écoute, prends et demande-moi d'informations sur ça et si tu dis la chose.
La dernière fois quand je lui ai dit ça, c'était super mal. Il avait rigolé, il était là, tant mieux. Je leur ai dit, j'ai la blague de, franchement, j'ai mis sur le 10, j'avais déjà vu.
I like it. I love it.
Après j'ai pris le 20, j'ai pas fait un petit changement.
I just don't know where to put my rice.
Au niveau énergie.
Donc c'est bon, je trouve que c'est plus
Je me retrouve.
Because I never
C'est
really
même la
use the rice.
quand je parle. C'est moi, je fais moins c'est tout.
Ah non, mais si t'as pas eu de roux, si t'as pas eu de deuxième version entre 10 et 20, c'est bon.
Ça goûte tellement comme. Just like African food.
Voilà, demande d'information.
That makes sense.
Parce qu'on a fait la même de savant, c'est donc dire.
Look at this time red, guys.
Et la dip au milieu. Non, mais c'est ça.
Merci. I'm gonna dump it in the format. Cheers.
Je considère quand ils sont au resto, et t'as aucune hésitation une fois que c'est à la discussion.
Moi, vous avez pas nous, ça.
Il avait des
The numbers are much better than heaven. I'm gonna try onion sauce. This don't look right, but we're gonna try it.
Et,
Still looking. It's not bad, but there's a sponge that turns me out. Probably this pistachio. I didn't touch this pistachio. No, there's pistachio in the sauce and cashew. Try with this.
non, mais c'est...
Anna Fanny did a good job at recommending something.
Alors, pour comme ça marche.
Ça marche, c'est comme ça. Elle a poussé.
The hair. You guys. Yeah, it's so good that we got more. That's how good they are. But you don't understand. I think I need to show you. Like, it's so crispy. I don't know if you can see the butter. It's just amazing. I'm trying to stop being like this. I'm trying to stop being like this. Like what? Like this. It's impossible. It's so I keep doing this. But no. I'll like just be like your girl. Oh my god. No. I'm actually enjoying this food.
On va partager un petit odeur avec un billet.
This bread with my cube, and I'm gonna be dreaming about this in Edmonton. Wow. Wow. Alright, beautiful people, we just finished eating and it's raining. Just pray that like my makeup don't start melting because that'll be embarrassing. Other than that, the food was great, the vibe were great. I am stuffed. Anna was my sugar mommy today. Sorry, the camera keep following me. It's not giving her special treatment.
Yeah.
I have to like stop it. Let me stop it. Hello. Anyway, child, it's being picky, but yeah, it was a great little evening. Feels good. And yeah, now we're walking towards Saint-Denis. We're looking for Jean Coutu so we can get some umbrellas because I still want to explore. No? We're in Montreal. And we're gonna go to Ceramic Cafe and just paint some dishes because why not? We have no kids with us, so we're gonna do all the things we couldn't do without my little guy, but I do miss him a little bit, so that's that, huh? The mom guilt. Hey, dad is in town, so mommy's out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. That's my plan. Okay guys, we're waiting for the little kid to move, the kids,
to move so I can go and take a picture there, but I think it's Insta. Oh, there you go. Okay. I warned you before we finish. It's so much prettier. Oh, allez-y. Oh non, c'est pas correct, c'est juste elle, merci. Hein. Oui, c'est la star, oui. I don't know if I can see. Okay, yeah. The quality on the phone is so much better. Ah, okay. I'm filming. Ah, okay. Okay. It's awkward.
Anyway, I'm being literally an influencer in the wild. It's crazy.
Hey.
I am exploring, okay? You have to explore. And I'm so glad now I'm not shy to film in public. Before I go take a picture, I'd be like, there's too many people. But I'm trying to get paid from this. So
Second-hand embarrassment.
shut up. She's a hater. She's my hater. Okay, gorgeous people. I have no idea where we are. And all I know, what is it? Renaud-Bray, that's where we are. Renaud-Bray, bordel. Oh, Renaud-Bray. Renaud-Bray, right? Okay, we are at Renaud-Bray. That was hard, I'm sorry. We got umbrellas, so now we can explore in peace. And this one here, she's looking for books. Why? I don't know.
Why not?
I just, like, physical books are so inconvenient. Like, I can be on my belly while reading. I can be on this side. It's like, I got hooked on the phone thing, unfortunately.
Yeah,
I want to go back to, like, physical books, but it's hard.
That's what I'm
It's
trying to
so hard because I like what I like. But with a kid, I actually have to. Otherwise, I think I'm more like an iPad kid, but I'm actually just reading. So that's that. I want to dress everything and say, okay, bye. We're looking for the English section because they had really great deals downstairs, but they're all books in French. Though I was telling Anna I need to start reading in French again because I feel like I'm losing it, especially like the grammar part of it. But there was nothing interesting for me to be like, oh, let me get this one. So yeah. Oh, guys, I was telling Anna, since high school, this was the best series I read so far that I really enjoy reading. Especially the end of it was just amazing. Like, I think I can read it again and I won't be mad about it. Except maybe the second and third ones. Those ones was a drag. I think was the second one? Yeah, the second was a drag. But after that, wow. Wow. It was action-filled Kingdom of Hash. It's like a mix of, how do you call it? Mystical? Was it mystical?
That?
Yeah.
Fictional.
Was fictional
Fantasy.
with fantasy, romance. I don't know how to describe it, but it was good. Long story short.
They have all the books of Jane Austen.
Alright, to know me is to know how big of a fan I am of Bridgerton, and I've been reading them. I'm currently on the second one, but I did find the third one, so I'm gonna buy the physical one for the rest of the series and just read them. So I'm excited for that. Yay! I want to get the other one, but my bags were already borderline overweight, so I'm gonna just get the other one after instead of right now because I ain't trying to pay extra fees at the airport. Yeah, and Anna is looking for the Handmaid's Tale, but I've lost her. Did you find the lady? Oh. We literally came for umbrellas. Look at us now. Bad.
The classic tales of mystery, the Sherlock.
That look boring.
Yes.
Look like a dictionary. Hi, beautiful people. So I'm a little bummed, but I'm not that bummed because, long story short, I'm an outfit repeater. That means you're still gonna see this outfit somewhere where my camera will be charged because today was not that day. But we got some good show with my phone because that's that, man. That's the update. I thought I charged it enough, but I didn't have this bad habit of like leaving it on when I put it away, and that's what happened. So it killed the battery, and I realized that when we're about to leave, so I charged it for like 15 minutes, but that was not enough to even take one picture. But yeah, we got some on my phone, so that's that. We're gonna go. We're looking for a place for like some drinks, and then we're gonna head home, right?
Yeah,
That's the plan.
I think.
So, Bellas, for now.
Arrivederci. Hasta la vista, baby.
Oh, other thing.
Oh, how do I turn this?
Hi. Good thing I didn't listen for this goat because she was like, "Oh, it's not gonna rain again. We don't need umbrellas. It's boring."
Well, oops.
Like,
I'm just a girl
that
in
don't
the
do
world.
like, bro.
Oh, life is hard.
How?
I don't know, but it's hard.
Kinda hard. I ain't gonna lie. You have to work.
Pay bills. You can't live your little princess life. We wish. But yeah, that was the little recap. Okay, bye bye.
Do you see that monstera? Magnificent. Wow. What you got? What you got?
Passion fruits.
Passion fruit? Je peux le mélanger? Ok, je vais prendre avec mangue. Oui, parfait, merci. I can mix mine. I'm excited. They have really like intriguing drinks.
Ooh. Merci beaucoup.
Look how cute it looks. Look like poop. There's no space?
There's a space here.
Here? Ew. Okay, so this is what mine look like. I took this sorbet, tiger's blood with mixed with mango. That's pretty much strawberry with watermelon, and this one is mango. So it's a mix of mango and that one. But yeah, I'm gonna try it soon. Actually, wait. Wow, this is good. It's good. I approve. Yeah, I like it. It's really good. It's refreshing. It's like super sweet but not too sweet. I don't know if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's influencing the world everywhere. I love to see it. It's influencing the world everywhere. I love to see it. Not just you. I love our dress. Hello, my gorgeous people. We are finally back home. Here just to say a little au revoir, I guess. Everything went well. It was perfect. We're finally home safe and sound. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite moment. for me it was the food, obviously. And yeah, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you the next one. Bye.